Hello everybody, OG here. What did you do during the long weekend? Yes, I went to picnic with my friends. And most importantly, I made spam musubi. It was convenient and delicious. Here comes another spam recipe. It is also a super easy one. I have to say rice and spam are the best couple. Mix warm cooked rice with shredded cheese and chopped onion. Any kind of cheese works. I am using the 3-cheese blender. If you are using a rice cooker, 1 cup using the measuring cup come with it gives the right proportion to make 2 of these. Otherwise, cook 150 grams of raw rice. If you are using leftover rice, microwave it before mixing. Here comes our star 25% less sodium spam. Squeeze the container can help us get the spam out. Leave about 1 centimeter and cut a small rectangular along the edge, then take the inner side part out. I guess the most difficult part in this recipe is here, but don't worry if you cut through the spam or get a weird shape, it will taste the same. If you go back, you will notice how nervous I was to find the starting point. My knife is shaking. I didn't cut deep enough. Now I need to find the lines at the bottom. Okay. Push to see if you can get the inside part out. If not, keep cutting. When you push it, you can feel which part is holding you back. Then focus on that area. Almost there. Oh, finally it is out. The shape is a little weird, but it is okay. Now it's time to fill that weird rectangular with rice we prepared before. If you are wondering what we do with the inside part, come back next time and I will show you. The shape doesn't look that bad after the rice is in. Try to press the rice down in case it falling off afterwards. Heat a non-stick pan and pan fry it until each side is golden brown. Listening to the sizzling sound makes me hungry already. Cut into slices and we are almost done. Some mayonnaise, ketchup, and the green onion. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy it. Come back next time to see what I cook, use the inner part.